Hello, everybody. This is Shawn Doyle. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on June the 16th as I do my webinar called Pivot and Prosper, How to Use Creativity and Critical Thinking to Thrive During Adversity. Now, what's this program about? Well, it's pretty simple, actually. It's about a new competency. And what's the new competency? The new competency is creativity and critical thinking, which I believe is so important today. So on this webinar, you're going to learn the myths about creativity. You're going to learn new tools, tips, and techniques to make your team and you massively more creative. And we're also going to talk about critical thinking, which is defined as thinking about how you think. A lot of times people don't realize the thought patterns that they have and how they apply to creativity and innovation. So also one lucky person on the webinar will win a free copy of my book, Jumpstart Your Creativity. So don't miss it. Look forward to seeing you on the 16th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And don't miss it. Thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you there.